Have you ever panicked because of slow packaging speed? Are you frustrated with machines that easily rust? Don't worry, we have the perfect solution for you: our vertical packaging machine. Made with 304 stainless steel, our vertical packaging machine is both durable and easy to clean, eliminating the worry of machine rusting. At the same time, it can package 120 bags per minute, greatly improving production efficiency and eliminating the fear of slow packaging speed. We are committed to providing high-quality products and excellent service to our customers, making your production process smoother. Choose our vertical packaging machine and take your production to the next level.